Students, greetings of the day. I welcome you to Salika, our training restaurants. We're going to cover a topic called as laying of tablecloth. Before that, we have a multon, a cloth, a base cloth on top of the table. The reason is to hold the tablecloth, and also in case when we are placing our dinner plates or our crockeries on the table, it won't make any noise. So I have a tablecloth in my hand, which we have to fold it lengthwise while we bring it in the restaurant. So we get a tablecloth on a trolley from the laundry, which we can bring it to the back area or the back of the house area. And from the back of the house area, we have to bring the tablecloth lengthwise. Now, observe the fold, how we have to hold it, and we need to fold it on the left arm of the waiter or maybe the supervisor, whoever brings it onto the table. And while we do so, we lay the tablecloth lengthwise on the table. The reason for doing it so that we can adjust our fingers in between the fold of the tablecloth. So make sure that you have your fingers in place, post which you need to take a measurement of the tablecloth against the table so that you get an equal fall of the tablecloth on all four sides of the table. And when you do, you can observe the fingers. Now I'm holding the tablecloth with different fingers. Now I'm placing my right leg forward and leaning forward so that I could release the first fold of the tablecloth, and then I pull the tablecloth towards me to ensure that it's equal and even on all four sides. And the fall of the tablecloth, which is supposed to be 9 inches, is equal on all four sides of the table. Kindly adjust the tablecloth in case if you feel it's uneven. I'll just repeat it. While I'm removing the tablecloth piece, observe that I'm holding the tablecloth and pulling it from the center crease of the tablecloth. I'm folding it lengthwise, placing it on the table. Once I do so, I adjust my fingers in between the folds of the tablecloth. And then I follow the procedure of adjusting or taking the measurements so that ensuring that the fall of the tablecloth is even on all four sides. I place my right leg forward. I lean and release the first fold and pull the tablecloth towards me. And ensure that the fall of the tablecloth is even on all four sides. Make sure it's neat and there are no creases on the tablecloth. The next cloth which I will be placing on top of the tablecloth is called as an apron or a slip cloth. Slip cloth is what we had an objective question in our theory paper. So again, I would be holding the slip cloth lengthwise on my left arm when I enter the restaurant. The reason for having a slip cloth is it adds attraction. The table looks a little more attractive. It creates an ambience in the restaurant. And also it can be used to cover up a soiled tablecloth. Maybe if you don't have the opportunity to change the tablecloth because a guest would be waiting in the restaurant for a table, you can change the slip cloth. That's about it. Thank you.